Now, what does this have to do with Abraham? Well, Abraham believed God. Isn't that the testimony of his life? He believed what God said. He accepted what God said, and on the basis of that faith, he lived his life from day to day. What determined the course of his life? What steered the ship in Abraham's life? His faith in the words of God. Abraham, why are you leaving your family? Where are you going? Why are you packing the camel and heading out? What is happening here? Well, God said I had to go. Abraham, why are you sojourning in a foreign land that doesn't belong to you? Why leave your family and go to this strange place where there's all these hostile nations and these people you don't know and that you're not familiar with? Well, God said he would give it to me and my descendants. Abraham, why do you say your descendants? You don't have kids. Why would you talk like that? God said he would give me a son through Sarah. Okay, Abraham, you've got your son and Isaac's here now and you've waited so long. Why are you taking him up on a mountain to kill him? What are you doing with this all your hopes and dreams here and this boy? He finally came. God said, it's what I had to do. Don't you realize if you kill him today, then you will never have all those descendants? There will never be these great nations that come from you? Yes, there will. How? I don't know. But God said. You see, like his whole worldview was built around this conviction. God says, and I respond. That's the faith that defined him. If there's one sentence you can find to sum up his life, it's chapter 15, verse 6 that we just heard a few weeks ago. Abraham believed in the Lord, and he accounted it to him for righteousness. That's the testimony of his life. He believed what God said. Notice it doesn't say, and Abraham comprehended everything God said, and God credited that to him for righteousness. Or it doesn't say Abraham could explain all the nuance and all the details in God's plan, and because of his explanatory powers, God credited it to him for righteousness. No, it says Abraham believed what God said. God credited that to him